Welcome back to the JavaScript tutorial. In the last video, we was learn about some styling with JavaScript. Today, we are going to learn what is an operator in JavaScript and how many operators are there and how we can use them. So before we going to code, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and likes my video and comments below. So what is an operator? The definition of operator is a symbol that is used to perform an operation. Operation means like some kind of additional, subtraction, division, and many more like this. But not always. We have to sometime we use these in a function and we can multiply with something. So let's talk about how many types of operator here. So here is the types of operator. Number one is arithmetic operators, comparison operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and conditional operator. We will be learn step by step how we can use them. So let's go and start to code how we can do this. So here I have index.html file with a blank and simple structure of HTML. So let's start with the code of script. The one we have the script tab. You know, always we have to define this. We are writing JavaScript, so we are going to write here some JavaScript. So first of all, for easiness, I'm going to make some variables which is I can use in every operation. So I'm going to create one variable which is a is equal to 32 and var b is equal to 42, and then I'm going to include some strings that we can also use in this operation. So operators like operator. And here for the HTML, I'm going to use some line break that we can see correctly, line by line, everything. So here I'm going to include like the break property of HTML, which we can use easily. So that's our variable. So now the test starts. How we can add this? The first we are going to addition arithmetic operator. So here I'm going to write like document.write, and in the write I'm saying with this, and you have to in the strings. So a plus b is equal to. So why I write this? Because then we need to know what I write. So let me open this file in index.html. You can see here a plus b. So like this. Now, sorry. So now we sing result. We need result of a plus b. So I'm going to write result, and result is equal to a plus and b. So from where this a plus b is come? Basically the a plus b come from this variable. So this is the a and this is b. So the variable we took and we say get together and give us a result. How we can display the result now? So I'm going to again write document.write, and write is have like a function. It's a function. I'm saying result. So basically show the result, and the result will become with this because we include is equal to us have a string. And after this I'm going to write some document.write, and here is line break, the one variable of line break, so we can use the line break. So let's check it out. What should be the result? You know, there is 32 and 42. If we plus this, so it's 4 and 74 should be result come out. So now we are going to result out, and you can see here 74. So that's how we can use plus and minus. So like this, the subtraction, the same value we are going to use. So I'm going to just, for the time instance, I'm just going to copy and paste again. Instead of a plus b, I'm adding just a minus b and a minus, or you can say subtraction. Same rule for here. I'm again going to save this file and let's check out. So you can see minus 10. A minus b is equal to minus 10 because the value of a is 32 and the value of b is 42. Now we have another operator which is called division. We have to divide this. So the same operator, I'm again going to copy this, paste, and here I'm calling a divided by b, and we can see also here a divided by b, and the result should be the same. I'm sorry, I'm always going on the wrong spot. So you can see here it came by this value because the a amount is also bigger and the next amount is also bigger. Now we have another module. Module like means of percentage. In the regular math we say percentage, but it's called in the programming language we call module. And so I'm going to add here as a module, and now is the answer should be a module b is equal to 32. Because it's 32, there is no other thing. Now we have another which we going to do, the one we add here, the test one, the string one, the a, b, and c. So let's check it out how we can use these three properties here with the plus and what will be the output. So I'm calling here a plus b plus c, and here is also a plus b plus c, and then we should have result for this. Now we're gonna again save, and you can see here a plus b 74, and test. Why is test came like string? Because it's not a numerical value, so we just have, they took the plus as a plus to combine with it. Now here's, I'm going to give you another example, which is if we call here, for example, we call here let me see, is plus and a is equal to should be what? Nothing. We just want to try what should be the output for this. Plus a, and what should be the result? What are you guys thinking? What should be the result? I'm going to start. So plus a is 33. Why is 33? Because one amount we plus by addition. If we check it here, it's just called the addition. Now let me show you another example here. If we say here b is equal to minus b, so what should be the result? If I'm again here and just type it here, minus b, and the result should be minus b, what do you guys think? What should be the result come? So minus b is equal to 40. Why should b is equal to 40? Because here is 42. So 42 means 2 times negative if you go, so it shared 2 times less, 1. So that's why 42. Because b is equal to 42 times is b. So we 2 times less. So it's called 40. So that's how we can use arithmetic operation. The next step, going to the comparison operator. How we can comparison. So let me remove this for now. And let's remove this. So now we have variable for this, but I'm going to change some. It's okay. That's fine. That's fine. Nothing happened with this. If we say document dot write, for example, document dot write, and we say a is equal to b. I'm sorry, we have to define some one function also in this. So I'm saying if you an arrow function here, if you know about arrow function, so I'm saying a sorry, let me write it again for this here, and then again, and in this, because we are going to provide some operation, so a is equal to b, and after this have one arrow function, which is we call here the arrow function. And after this, so basically this is arrow function, we telling to the HTML, let's write this, so what should be the result. So now we calling the result here, and the result is equal to, in the bracket, a is equal to b. And now we going to document dot write and write the result for us. And after this, I'm just running document dot write the line break. So here is line break. Let's see how is work. Let me refresh again this, and you can see the result is false because a is not equal to the b, because the a value is 32 and the b value is 42. So that's why a is not equal to b. Now we can check if we can check if a greater than b, what should be the result. So let's how we can do that. So just simple, I'm going to copy this for now, and here I'm going to tell this a is less than b or not. So here also, and also I'm going to try a greater than b or not, which one is right and which one is false. So let's check it out, guys, how is work. So now you can see here a is less than b, yes, this is true, and a is greater than b, no, this is false, because the a value is 32 and the b value is 42. There is another option, not equal sign. If you know about the not equal sign, so I'm going here and install the not equal to b, a not equal to b, and here is also one less on this, and then should be the result. A not equal to b, this is true because we already first defined, but this is the another way we can check it out. So this is how we can comparison variables of mostly variables, and there is some other option you can guys use, greater than equal, not greater than equal, like this. Now let's talk about some logical operator, which we have logical operator. In the logical operator, if you say assume, that's and or yes or not equal. So basically these are logical operators. So in this we can use if a is equal to true and b is equal to false, and then just we have to give no need for the scene here and line break. So if we have, let me copy the same thing, and now I'm telling here a and b and the same arrow function, like just further writing, it's not basically arrow function, but just for the writing that we can see the result, what the result is. So if we say A and B, what should be the result in the logical operation? Let's say A and B is equal to false. Basically it's false. Thus true false become false. Or if we say here another logical operator we use, so it's mean or. Example or, so A or B, what should be the result for this? So let's check it out. A or B is equal to true, because A true and B is true. That's because both are separate thing. Both are separate thing. Let me give you, here's one more example with the not equal. And the not equal, if we say here, for example, before the bracket start, not A and then and B, and B, like this. So here is A and B, and here is not equal sign, and we can see here not equal is equal to true. Not A and A is true. So this is logical operators. We can use like logical operator like this. The next thing I'm going to show you, we have assignment operator. Assignment operator basically a simple assignment, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply by, equal to. So like this kind of assignment operator. So let's take one of example that I'm going to show you. Here we say A is equal to 33 and the B is equal to 10 in the same line break. And there's a document dot write, and we say value of A, no needed for now. So we say value of A, and then this, because this is just using for the purpose to show us A minus A, not minus, regular, sorry, A equal to B, and then again just arrow function like this, and the down I'm saying A equal to B, the result. Now let's see what should be the result, and let me remove the other. Value of A equal B is equal to 10. Why should like that? Did anybody consider as a logarithm? Why should value of A, if we going by value of A is equal to B, so the value of A become B. Say value of A took to B, so the A is equal to B. We never say A plus B, we call A equal to B. So they take out the A value and recognize and set the B value to the A. So this is called assignment operator. Like we can use in the website sum of variable we need and take it out equal to the another variable and use it. So like this we can use. Let me give you one more example here with the assignment operators. If for example we call here plus equal to B, what should be happen? What are you guys expecting? What should become here? We say A plus equal to B 20, plus take A plus equal to B. So A plus means 1 is 10, and then again plus B, so it's 10 on 10, 20, 2 times. It's come 2 times. Now let me show you with the negative value. If we subtract it, if we use negative here, so let me use a negative equal to b. So what should be the result for this? So it's say a negative minus and then equal to b. So they already took, because minus there is nothing before b, so they just reverse and give us the same value. So like this you can, you guys, use some multiplication also. So let me just give you one more example of multiplication. Is we call here a multiply equal to b. So what should be the result in the JavaScript? And they say is 100, because 10 into 10, if you guys multiply, so it's called 100. The result will be 100. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please comment. Thank you. See you in next video.